Hello folks, welcome back to your favorite series Learn Cybersecurity with Python, your hands-on journey into the world of digital security. In the last lecture, we learned a few ways to create and manage new files and directories on Linux. In this lecture, we learn about a few more file operations like removing directories and files as well as managing their permissions for different kind of users on your Linux operating system. If you remember in the last class, we created some directories and files on desktop. Today, let's try to remove those files directly from the terminal. To do that, let's list the files in the directory with the command ls-la. This lists the folder Python we created previously. Now, in order to list the files in this folder, let's use ls-la desktop Python. Now we can see that there is a folder called list as well as two files, list and list2.txt. Let's try deleting one of these files. To do this, we'll use the rm command. So let's type rm list. So I think we'll need to move to the folder before we run the rm command. So let's move to the folder before. Rm list2.txt. Now if we do ls-la, we can see that the file has been successfully removed from the folder. Now what if we want to remove the entire Python folder which contains the list folder along with files list1 and list2.txt? We'll use the rm command with two extra flags -rf. Let's see what those flags do and stand for with the man command. Man command can be used in Linux to see the manual for any utility on Linux. Let's zoom our terminal window a bit and let's try to see what the parameters do. We can see that the -f parameter ignores the files forcefully even if there are any errors, and the -r flag recursively deletes all the files and folders from the target directory when used with rm. Press Q to quit the manual and let's try to delete the folder entirely. Let's move back one step to the desktop directory and let's run rm-rf to recursively delete the Python folder. And it's done. That's how easy it is to remove files and folders in Linux.